Master the new standard in software development by harnessing the full power of C# 14 and the .NET 10 framework. Begin your journey by establishing a robust development environment and understanding the core architecture of the modern .NET ecosystem. Take full control of your application logic while ensuring data integrity with precise type safety and advanced error handling strategies. Elevate your code by designing modular, testable functions that leverage the latest syntax for maximum efficiency and performance. Construct complex, scalable systems by mastering object-oriented design principles and building decoupled, professional-grade software architectures. Accelerate your technical proficiency with 16 deep chapters, 109 objectives, and over 180 hands-on labs and quizzes. Unlock your career potential as a high-earning back-end systems architect with the skills to thrive in a growing industry. Learn to package your applications for enterprise distribution and master the professional workflows required to deploy your code globally. Progress from mastering core syntax to architecting complex systems and deploying your final applications to the modern .NET landscape. Stop waiting and start building your future today by unlocking full course access and taking your development skills to the next level. Reach out to our dedicated support team at support@uCertify.com if you have any further questions.